So we are discussing about the comparison between SSR MP1 AT SAL and SSR MP1 SL. These are two resistivity meter cum loggers. So both of them are used for both resistivity survey and also for logging. So in the MP1 SL we have current potential for survey, and ATSL also we have current and potential for resistivity survey, but only difference is you can use this MP1 SL only to manually write the readings, but in ATSL you have option for saving the data, and the data can be saved into a laptop or a display connected to it through the data cable. So this doesn't have MP1 SL doesn't have any connectivity to the borehole depth, but ATSCL is having a connection to the depth encoder. So you can see the depth and graph also. This is the major difference between both the instruments. So we can connect the display and then press on send, and the reading will be sent to the instrument or the display directly. The readings are not saved in the instrument at in both the instruments. Only thing is you can transfer and view the data directly by using the SSRMP AT SAL, and the instruments for resistivity, both of them work for the 600 meters of depth, and the instruments use 24-volt battery as their power source.